Don't let bad weather affect your business.
RetractableRoof.com has been an industry leader helping businesses expand their outdoor seating and dining areas for over 20 years. As we all know, bad weather cuts into profits. We are all about keeping your customers happy and protected from the harsh sun, rain, and snow. Our rooms are designed to feel like an open-air patio cover, yet completely waterproof when closed. All products are fully insulated and can be heated or cooled to accommodate all the seasons of the year. We offer a wide array of retractable roof systems, glass, louvered, or canopy awning style. You can enclose any room with our manual or motorized remote glass wall systems, as well as a shade wall system. We design, fabricate, install, and warranty only the highest quality products for everlasting beauty. A retractable roof addition will provide immediate and immeasurable returns on your investment. Our products are suitable for all types of outdoor areas. We can attach to an existing structure or build freestanding. Call today 1-888-229-4544 or find us on the web at retractableroof.com.